today's video, we're going to be talking about something that can literally transform your skin. Hydration. I know you don't see this coming, right? I will be breaking down what is hydrating serum and why you need one and how to properly use one of it. And also, I'll be sharing with you guys affordable products that you can get, you can try without breaking the bank account at all. So with that being said, let's quickly dive into the video. Hydrating serum is a lightweight serum that penetrates deeply into your skin in order to attract and hold moisture on your skin. Hyaluronic acid, which hyaluronic acid is a very great, powerful hydrating ingredient that most skincare formulators use in order to formulate their hydrating serums. Hyaluronic acid is like a big drink water on your skin. That is why your skin need one of it. Hydrating serum keep your skin smooth, plump, and also glowing, and it also help your skin to reduce fine lines and dullness, balancing oily skin by preventing your skin to produce excess oil, by preventing overproduction of oil, and it also prepares your skin to absorb other skincare routine you are going to apply on your skin or other skincare products you're going to apply on your skin better. Before I deep down, here is a bonus tip. Even though you have oily skin or acne prone skin, you still need hydrating serum in your skincare routine, because a dehydrated skin produces more unnecessary oil on the skin, on the skin to make it up for the dehydrated skin you are having, so that you can simply have like hydrated skin, which is not even advisable. That is why you have to incorporate hydrating serum into your skincare routine. Step 1, you have to first of all cleanse your face. That is always the first step in any skincare routine you are doing. You first of all cleanse your face. When you are done cleansing your face, then you go next with your hydrating serum that contains hyaluronic acid in it. After you applying your hyaluronic acid, after your cleanser, your hyaluronic acid, that is your hydrating serum, then you seal it up with a good moisturizer. This is basically a very simple skincare routine as a beginner in skincare that want to achieve a very glow, plumpy, healthy skin. You seal it up with your moisturizer, but remember that you are not to apply your hydrating serum on a dry skin. Immediately after cleansing your face, you go in with your and cleansing the excess water on your face, you go in with your hydrating serum, then you seal it up with your moisturizer. You can use this hydrating serum both in the daytime and at night. That is one of the main reasons why I love hydrating serum. It is very safe for you to use it daytime and at night time. Do find this video useful up to this extent? Give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't joined the community yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to always be the first person to be notified each time I drop a new video. So here are product recommendation. You can get this product that contains hyaluronic acid in it, or you simply get this product, and another one is this product, and the last one is this product. So here are 4 different products you can simply pick from, and trust me sis, your skin is going to tell you thank you, because the way your skin is going to look hydrated, that glowing skin you are looking for, you will surely get it sis. So that is it for the product recommendation. And if you have used any of this product before, share your thoughts and experience with us down in the comment section. How does it make your skin feels like? Is your skin already hydrated? Have you started seeing that glow skin you are looking for? Let me know down in the comment section, because I will be right there waiting for you. Let me say this: hydration is a secret juicy that your skin need in order to achieve that glow and healthy skin you always want, no matter, I'm saying this, no matter your skin type. Even though you have oily skin, I've talked about this earlier in this video. I'm going to stop this video right this moment so that we can simply continue down the comment section, which I'll be right there waiting for you. If you have used hydrating serum, let us know. If you're going to try one of these products, let us also know down in the comment section. I'll be right there waiting for you. I'm going to see you all in the next very one. I still remain Sophia Abderrashid, your favorite girly. So follow me for more skincare beauty tips, and I'm going to see you all in the next very one. I feel like not stopping talking. I feel like not ending this video, but right here I need to stop so that we can continue down the comment section. If you watch this video right to this moment, you are the real G, and I'm going to see you all in the next very one. Stay blessed and peace.